Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have 2 different beauty bags from Whole Foods. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so today is Friday the 13th, and today Whole Foods launched 2 different beauty bags. I never even knew that Whole Foods did beauty bags until one of my amazing subscribers did reach out to me a few weeks ago and told me about it. And so I've been tracking down the 13th ever since, and I actually went this morning. I left my house an hour early before work. I went to Whole Foods and I got these, and then I went to Petco to get some turtle food. Then I went to work. So thank you so much for letting me know that they had these, because I have them now. And they had them just on like this little tiny table where there was maybe like 8 of each one. And then they had like an acrylic box showing what each item was inside, and I didn't even really pay attention to that. I just grabbed both of them and I went on with my day. And so let's go ahead and dive in here. There's 2 different ones. Let's go with this one first, because you guys know this is my favorite color. Black is too, but teal's my first favorite color. And then on the tag it just has Whole Foods Market, and it says Conscious Beauty Bag, $20. So I paid $20 per bag, but it says it has $120 plus worth value. On the back it says Queen Alafia. This one-of-a-kind bag is made with Batik, B-A-T-I-K, fabric that is hand-printed by women who were former victims of the sex trade. At the Queen Alafia Center in Togo, West Africa, our goal is to help these women realize their self-worth and live a dignified life where they can support themselves and their families. Made in Ghana? That's amazing. And these do feel like these are really nice bags. So I'm so excited. They look like they're full of a lot of products. So let's go ahead and dive in. So there's a little sneak peek. Holy moly, that is jam-packed. So let's go ahead and go through one at a time. No rhyme or reason. I'm just pulling things out. So the first item right here says Mineral Fusion Volumizing Mascara Jet. And it looks like it is a sample of that mascara, but it does give you a $5 off coupon. So I guess if you do like it, you can save $5 off of the full size product. That's $16.99 or more in value. And the coupon expires 6/30/2020. So you have a few months if you wanted to use that, if you got this set. So here is the sample of mascara. This says Trilogy Certified Organic Rose Hip Oil. Pure natural rose hip for scars, stretch marks, fine lines, and wrinkles. That sounds amazing. And so there's that little guy right there. And yes, it's a little, let me see. Nourishes and restores. So there's that. It's a decent size right there. It's a little glass bottle. So there's that. Number 2. All right. So now we have is a blemish stick, witch hazel, aloe vera formula in lemon. So that's really good. I do break out right here on my monthly situation. Directions: remove cap and roll product over blemish. Reapply as needed. Keep closed when not in use. So that's amazing. I hope that works, because I'm definitely gonna give it a shot. This guy right here says Evan Healy Oil and Water Balancing Ritual. Hydrates, moisturizes, and infuses the skin with antioxidants. Ideal for dry, oily, and combination skin. USA organic, so this is good for any skin. Okay, so this is a glass bottle, and this says it's a facial tonic hydrosol. Balances oil, dry, combination skin. And then here is this guy right here. So it comes with both of these. And it says to add a dime size amount of the oil serum into the palm of your hand, add more or less to fit certain skin conditions. To that, add a generous mist of the serum, 5 to 7 sprays. Combine the 2 together between the palm of your hands and press the oil serum. So you add a couple of drops of this, and then you spray a couple sprays, roll it around, and pat it in. So that's really neat. I've never seen anything that I've never seen anything like that before. So it has both products inside of the box. Now we have is a Weleda Skin Food Lip Butter Plant Oil Based Hydrates Lips. That's awesome. We could always use that, especially we're gonna be going into the summer here. It's 90 degrees today. It's over 90 degrees. This is Everyday Coconut Lip Balm. And the sun dries out my lips. So this right here is Strengthening and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. We have a Blue Light Shield Spray with blue-green algae, activated charcoal, ginseng root extract. So here's that. And it says, shake generously before using. Hold and press, close your eyes and slightly mist your face and neck. Spray over makeup to set in place. Use anytime to energize and de-stress skin. Now we have is a Mad Hippie Advanced Skin Serum, Vitamin A Serum. That's a good size bottle. Nice little glass bottle, and it's completely sealed. Now we have is a Sea Salt Spray. So we have a hair product. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Burt's Bees Daily Moisturizing Cream, sensitive with cotton extracts. So there's that. Then we have this, ooh, this is a big guy. Dr. House, I don't know. But that is a facial toner. Let's see what it looks like inside. So it's a spray and it's a nice glass bottle. That's a good size. And it does have the spray. I like to use the spray ones when I get all of my makeup off. If I don't get all my makeup off, I don't use the spray ones, so then I can actually get in and get the rest of it off. So I really like to use those toners. So I like to have both. Here's a Cotton Clarifying Whole Foods Face Mask. And let's see here. Now we have is an Ultra Hydrating Green Juice Cleanser. So I'm excited to try that. This is Not Your Mother's Royal Honey and I'm not quite sure, Desert Melon Butter Mask. So is this for your hair? Yes. So we have a hair mask. I always love hair masks. I'll take them all when they come in. And you know what? I almost bought this. I did not know, because I've really never been in a Whole Foods. Only one other time me and my boyfriend ran in there for something really quick, and that was probably like 5 years ago, and I've never been in there ever since. So when I went in there to look for these bags, once I got them in my possession, I kind of did a little strolling, and they have a whole like skincare and makeup section. I did not even know that. They even had incense. They even had crystals, which I will show you one that I actually did purchase. And I saw this and I saw watermelon. If you guys follow me, you know watermelon pulls at my string. And I was like, oh, should I get it? And I was like, I have so many face masks right now because I do get a mask subscription. So I passed, and I'm so glad because now I have it. So here's the Yes To, and this is a paper mask and it's watermelon. So I'm so glad. And then this is Pacifica Moisture Rehab Coconut, Rose and Coconut Makeup Removing Wipes. And then here's a little pamphlet. It probably just goes over all of the products that are inside. Yes. Does it give pricing actually? No, but it does tell you what size they are and basically how to use the products. And there's that. So again, this should be over $120 value. And then here's the bag. You guys, this is a really nice thick bag. So it has like this lining on the inside, and then this is on the outside. So it's it's definitely double layered, and that is really cute. It's a really good size, nice and big, very nice and thick, well made, very nicely made. And it does have their little logo inside. So that is everything for this particular set. So let's go ahead and dive into the second one. Okay, so let's get in here. Sneak peek. So right on top, this says Hair Spritz Maximum Hold. So we have a hair product in this one as well, but it's a completely different brand. Then we have is a serum and oil Perfect C Pro Serum. Then we have is the same brand as the other one, but this is a different product. This one says Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. So there's that guy. And this one says, apply to clean face and neck. Use in the morning and evening alone or in a combination with your favorite moisturizer. So I guess after cleansing and toning is when you'd use this. The other one was like a spray to spray over your face, and that would also set your makeup if you wanted. This is the Seaweed Bath Company Hydrating Balancing Conditioner with argan oil and aloe. So that's really cool that we get a little travel size conditioner. Is there a shampoo in here? Yes. No, that's not. Oh, yes, here it is. This one is the Seaweed Bath Co. This one is the shampoo. So I do like that we get both the shampoo and the conditioner. The other thing I grabbed that I thought was it is right here. This is Incredibly Clear Charcoal Lemonade Facial Scrub. Charcoal, lemon, and blueberry. Combination to oily. Does this have a safety seal? Yes. So I'm like, ooh, that all sounded like it smelled scrumptious. Charcoal, lemon, and blueberry. So there's a facial scrub. Then we have Burt's Bees Daily Moisturizing Cream Sensitive. This is the same product as the other bag had. This is the same lip balm that the other one had. This guy says Smooth Shine Apple Cider Vinegar. Finishing Rinse. Revitalizes tired, overworked hair by restoring its pH balance and locking in healthy shine. Step 3. So there's that. Let me see. Oh, I smell the apple and I smell the vinegar. I don't know about the vinegar situation being in my hair, but you know. This is the same brand that the other one had, the Blemish Roll. This one is the Toning Towelettes Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula Rose Petal. So there's that. Then we have is Pacifica Stellar Glaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara with coconut and vitamin B, 100% vegan and cruelty free. I never have tried a Pacifica, what is this, mascara? Ooh, that is very pretty packaging. I like the blue. I don't really care for the gold. If it was silver, it'd be even better, but there's that. So we get a little trial of that, and there's the wand. Okay, I was smelling it just to see like if it was gonna smell like coconut. Because I didn't smell it, but I almost made myself a mustache. That would have been so cute, especially if I didn't notice it. I've been adorable. So here's the same lip balm right here. So there's very few similar products from both bags, and then some have the similar product but a different brand, and then completely different stuff. So that is really neat. So this right here is an intergalactic flash mask. Intergalactic, planetary, intergalactic. Now I'm gonna have that in my head. This one is a resurfacing glycolic and unicorn root cleanser. So you have two different ones right here to try out, which that's neat to try two different ones. And then, okay, so we have the same facial toner, and I'm sure this is the same exact one. Yes, it has the spray, same exact toner right here. And then there's a few more products. This looks like Lost Baggage Under Eye Emergency Repair Mask. And then this one is a Cotton Hydrating Coconut Face Mask. And then that is everything inside. And again, this is the same style bag, just different colors. This one has the black and gray and white. Same double lining, same nice quality thick bag. So, and this one did come with the little pamphlet inside that went over all the products that was inside of this one. that is awesome, you guys. What did you think of these 2 beauty bags? Did you go and get one today? Did you hear about them? Did you want to hear about them? They launched today, and I think it's all first come, first serve. So if you do want to go check them out, or maybe call them, the store first, and see if they still have any available so you don't waste your time. Especially right now, we have to be careful with going out. Holy moly. Yes, you guys, hand sanitizer, wash, wash, wash. Be safe. Everybody out there, please be safe. I hope you and your whole entire family stay safe and healthy. That's what I'm hoping for. So that is everything that I have for this. Oh, the crystal that I told you I was going to show you. Let me set that over there. So again, when I was going through their beauty section and I was totally of awe of everything that was there, I'm like, what in the world? They even have people that look like they're in the beauty section that are working there to help you. I'm like, this is crazy. So then they had a section that actually had crystals. They had geodes. They had some on like a stand that were like a gate, I believe. They even had what is this? What is that? The sage. They had sage in little bundles. I was like, what? So I bought this. This one was $10 and it was in this little bag right here, which of course now I'm going to open. I haven't even opened it and seen it in person. They did have a amethyst point that was $22 and I almost bought it, but I was like, I have a lot of amethyst right now. And I was buying both of these bags. And then I also bought flowers for this other review that I'm doing that you guys will see in a few weeks once those flowers die and I can finish my review. But I was spending, you know, quite enough money, so I just went ahead and only bought this one. So it has Rock Paradise. Here's the card that's inside, and it says Titanium Druzy. This thing is so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at that. And blues are my favorite color, and I just couldn't pass that up. It was only $10, and they had several different ones, and I kind of went through and picked the one that I wanted the best. But there's the back of it, and it has their little barcode, which of course I'll take off right now. And yeah, but isn't that super pretty? What do you guys think? Look at that. And that was only $10. So I could not pass that up. I don't know where I'm gonna do it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it or what I'm gonna do with it. I try to combine the two, try to save time. But I just had to have that to add to my collection. Like I said, I probably don't need it, but when I saw all of that blue and the heart shaped and the sparkle, I'm like, I'm gonna get it. So now that is everything that I have for you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about all of this stuff. Do you shop at Whole Foods? Do you already know about this stuff? Am I the only one that's left in the dark? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So again, wash your hands, don't touch anybody, try to stay inside, and stay safe and healthy to every single one of you guys. And I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.